In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print QuickBooks Simple Start Yearly Business Taxes 2026. If you're preparing your records for tax time in QuickBooks Simple Start, the profit and loss report is the fastest way to get a clean summary of your business income and expenses for the year. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you can print it confidently. First, open QuickBooks and head to the left-hand menu. Click Reports. This takes you to the Reports Center, where you can find every standard financial report available in Simple Start. At the top, use the search bar and type Profit and Loss. When it appears in the results, click it to open the report. Now set the correct date range so the report aligns with your tax year. At the top of the report, you'll see a date selector. You can choose a preset like this month, last month, or this year. For yearly taxes, this year often works well if your tax year matches the calendar year. If you need a different fiscal period, select Custom Date and enter the exact start and end dates for your tax year. Taking a moment to pick the right range ensures your totals reflect the entire period you're filing for. Once you've chosen the dates, click Run Report. QuickBooks will refresh the report and calculate totals for income, cost of goods sold if applicable, and expenses, giving you your net income at the bottom. Before printing, glance through the categories to make sure everything looks reasonable. If something appears out of place, it's best to correct the transaction in QuickBooks first, then rerun the report so your printout is accurate. When you're ready to print, look for the small printer icon near the top of the report and click it. Your browser's print window will open. Choose your printer, confirm the number of pages, and check layout and scaling so all columns fit neatly on the page. Then click Print. If you prefer a polished copy to share or store, you can export the report to a PDF and print from there. Click Export, then choose Export as PDF. Save the file to a folder you'll remember, open it, and print from your computer's PDF viewer. PDFs typically preserve formatting and are easy to email or archive for your records. That's it. You've generated and printed a year-end profit and loss from QuickBooks Simple Start, ready for your business taxes. Keep a printed copy and a PDF backup so you have both paper and digital records for compliance and for working with your tax professional.